Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are on our way to drop off some Amazon returns because they're gonna charge for shipping to send it back, so we're taking it straight to the warehouse instead. So we're gonna go do that. And then what else are we doing today?
Dropping off a bunch of stuff from Goodwill.
Oh yeah, we have a bunch.
Goodwill.
Because you guys saw when I purged my closet, we have some of that, and then Christina went through a little bit of her stuff, and so we're gonna go drop that off at Goodwill to donate, and then we're going to go to Michael's and get a stencil because we're going to paint our closet doors. Also, keep on the lookout because we're going to start renovating our bathroom.
First steps are gonna be the demolition, so that's just gonna be a mess to show y'all. Maybe a stress reliever to tear everything out, and then we'll decide if we think we can do it ourselves, or from that point if we need to get a contractor to finish it.
Yeah, we figured we would at least save a little bit of money if we do pay a contractor just from doing the demo ourselves. But I'll show you the bathrooms when we get home because they're straight out of the 70s, gold, and then like a yellow tub, fiberglass tub. Oh, it's bad, it's so bad. So that'll be exciting. We'll probably, if you guys are interested in that, we can make a whole video on like the before and after of that. But, so yeah, we're just gonna go drop some stuff off, so we thought we'd bring you guys along today.
May or may not have parked really close, but I'm in the lines and he is not, so it forced us to be very close to this car. You got it. We're here.
This is like so satisfying to look at. We're trying to figure out what stencil we want for our door. So I think we're gonna end up getting this one. That's what it looks like painted. I think we're just gonna do like a light gray, but it's gonna be really pretty. I'm excited. I can't wait to go home and do this. Look, guys.
Looks like we got a bird feeder.
Our spring project. This is gonna be so fun because you'll be able to see them in there.
She thinks when he barks a lot now, she's gonna regret getting this as soon as the birds come.
All right, we got the goods. What else do we get? This is a paint.
Baby blue, sky blue, and then yellow. And then a little jar for our shelves.
Perfect. So what just happened, Lauren? I put the camera on the counter, and when we checked out, I was looking all over for it, and I was like, I know it was just here. And then I turn around, and Christina has it right here, hiding, walking away from me.
Actually, I was filming stuff with it, but I wasn't trying to steal your camera. You're a thief. She's blind.
All right, where are we going next?
We're off to Goodwill to donate things that we're ready to part with.
I'm sorry, City, they're not gonna take you. I'm gonna have to take you to a shelter.
You find the fine print that says no humans.
Items that do not comply with product safety standards. That's you. You don't comply.
It doesn't say humans? I'm going in.
Okay.
Y'all take humans? Thank you.
Thanks.
I asked him if they took humans. He said, what?
I don't think so either. He's very confused.
I got my tax papers, writing off taxes, giving to the Goodwill.
Didn't you do our taxes already?
They're human. Are you for sale? Where to now, Linda? Well, we didn't get the small human for any kind of price, so guess on to the next store to look for them. Well, we have everything we really need, so we're gonna go home and paint the...
We're gonna go get a snack.
Trifold doors.
Like a soda or maybe like a chocolate shake, so we're gonna find somewhere to go because that's what I want.
No shame.
Yes, I am. Take me to get some chocolate.
She don't wear the pants. Don't you be deceived.
I wear all the pants. I wear the only pants that matter.
The only thing you can fit in both of our pants is why you wear so many. And I can't fit in yours. I really felt that you called me fat. Why would you say that? Hater shades.
Where are we?
Not getting a shake? Quit trying to fool them.
We're at Five Guys.
Okay, she says this looks cheesy. So you comment below if you think these bumper stickers, window stickers look cheesy.
So...
What interrupted me? I'm asking the people. The power of the people. Does it look cheesy or does it look awesome? Because I think it looks awesome. That's why it's on there. Doesn't matter if you think it looks cheesy because it's still staying on there. Okay, bye.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
There's a whole nother bag of fries.
What a wonderful world.
We are all ready to paint. I can't wait to do this. It's gonna be super fun. So I'll show you a close-up so that you can see what we're talking about. This needs to be repainted. I don't know what happened, but we'll fill these holes in later. But we're just gonna paint it so it's a little more bright white, because you can tell it just looks really dull right now. So we're gonna paint that white and then we're gonna let it dry. Here we go. Ollie, what'd you do?
Bad, Ollie. Drop it. Drop it.
Now listen, he'll listen to me. Ollie, Ollie, drop it. Good boy.
It's a good boy. You get it.
Oh, get that tail. He's like, Mommy, love me. A Winnie over here. I know we don't show Winnie a lot, but she's not really. Every time I talk, Ollie, every time. Winnie's not a super affectionate dog. She just likes to be in our space, and sometimes when she's sleepy, she wants us to like hold her, but she's not like Ollie. Ollie needs like hands-on attention 24/7, so we're not neglecting her. She just likes to be on her own.
No, sir.
Hold your face there, see if he bites it. Get closer. I don't think he will. He's not trying. He's like, oh, love me, Mommy, love me.
Ollie.
Looks like a limp noodle. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm really glad that you guys checked this out, and leave a comment if you have requests for videos. Christina and I are going to stencil the closet door soon, so we'll show you that. And if you're interested in seeing a bathroom renovation, let us know. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.